Hi everyone, Karina over here with Broken Ground. I'm here in my food forest, got a plum tree and a rose bush here in the background, and I'm just hopping on here to invite you to my free webinar. It's my Jumpstart Your Resilient Homestead masterclass that's happening on Tuesday, October 29th at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'd love it if you join me. This is a free webinar where I'm going to take you through my Resilient Homestead roadmap. So basically the design process that you want to go through to design a site that saves you time, energy, and money. I'll also give you a sneak peek into my Resilient Homestead program, although no pressure there in terms of enrolling. Please come, it's free. It's going to be about an hour and a half. You'll get some good insight into how to jumpstart your site planning process. And yeah, if you want to join me for my larger Resilient Homestead program, that's open as well right now and enrolling. But sign up using the link below this video, and I hope to see you there. All right, bye.